Hi, well today welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to change the Camvac filter system, which is as standard a cloth bag that goes inside over there, and then it comes with the paper bags that go over the top of the cloth bag, and the cloth bag goes at the top of these plastic frames. So I'm going to remove all that, and I'm going to install a pair of aftermarket micro pleated filters from Canada, a company called Stockroom Supply, which is in Ontario. The Nanomax CV cartridge filters. You can see not particularly cheap, $250. That's including tax, but unfortunately they do not ship directly to the UK, so you've got to make your own arrangements for that. Maybe there's a UK supplier that wants to pick up the franchise for the UK. If you do, here's the details. Hopefully it'll be worthwhile, because getting in and out of this horrible area here with my DIY cyclone is a right pain in the butt. So the kit comes with two of these pleated filters, which because I've got a twin motor system, it's supposed to be such that you can use the air to back flush the filters when they get a bit clogged, and hopefully it will diminish the amount of times I've got to dismantle everything to get it out from that nasty little corner. So the kit comes supplied with these little brackets, which have to be just clamped on the outside using these big Jubilee clips to enable you to have a little hook thing, little hole, so that these wind-up jobbies can be used to tension the filter onto the base. It's a shame that Camvac don't do this as a provided product, because they would obviously then be able to just put lugs and brackets and just have this clamped on from the factory. This seems an incredibly superior solution, but we'll find out. So as per the chap's instructions on the website, I'm just going to use a couple of bits of blue tape. Tapes hold these in position temporarily, put the strap around the outside. That's the thing taped on, and also on the other side. And just now take the clamp, drop that over, and then tighten it up so that it grips them permanently. It's clamped on, nice and tight, to the other side. Okay, so that's both of them fixed on. Ignore the blue tape. Now, just got to sort out getting these thingies on. So you get 4 of these turnbuckles. One of them comes unscrewed in a clockwise direction, and the other one comes unscrewed in an anti-clockwise direction. So it's got a left-handed thread on. One of them has. It is a little fiddly getting the turnbuckles into the wire and then tightening them up, but it's just a question of once you've done it once, it'll be dead easy. And then rinse and repeat for the other filter, a bit quicker this time. It really is very simple. Then reassemble it, and my initial reaction over the first few days of using it is that the suck is incredible. Much more to my eye than it ever was with the cloth bags on, but certainly equally as good. Well, I've taken the opportunity also of building a new box in the corner with the Camvac tucked away, and also replaced the cyclone with the Rutland one, which was on special, which is metal, which hopefully will last a good long time. So I'm just going to fire it up. And that whoomp that you could hear was the suction being so much that it actually distorts the metal lid. Quite impressive with the twin motors on. I'll run it for a few days of turning and check out how much the filters get clogged, and hopefully post another video in due course.